Well, here's a design for a raised entertaining area some 6.5 metres in diameter. And I'd like to illustrate that you can use some of these symbols in gCADPlus to make sure that your design works well for able-bodied people and perhaps people in a wheelchair. I've gone to the library and details and the disability folder and picked up a wheelchair block and popped that in. The block has been inserted over on the right hand side here, and the suggestion is to make a block of this part and move it in and around the design just to make sure that your design allows for comfortable wheelchair access. So I've done that, and I've just made a block of this section here. I've called it spin block because what we're imagining is you're in a wheelchair, you're moving up a small ramp into this area. We want to make sure that access up the ramp is appropriate and that once on the surface you can move around. So we can pick it and then come over here and move it into the site. You can see our wheelchair of course fits easily, but if there was a need to spin around on that ramp, you could do that also. We come up into the raised area here. You can see we can move quite smoothly around even though there is a table and some chairs in place. So without any real extra effort, we've tweaked the design so it works for both able-bodied people and for those who for whatever reason are going to use a wheelchair